reverse lightning. Supercharged reverse lightning bolt, it was so massive that it reached the edge of space and scientists are puzzled. The mysterious gigantic jet lightning bolt was 100 times more ferocious than normal lightning. On May 14, 2018, scientists observed a stupendously massive gigantic jet lightning bolt. It went in reverse, reaching the edge of space over a thunderstorm in Oklahoma. The surge of electricity was so big and ferocious that it carried 100 times more electrical energy than the typical thunderstorm lightning strike, and was twice as powerful as the next strongest ever recorded, and this is bizarre. This violent reverse burst of electricity, a gigantic jet lightning bolt, is considered one of nature's most mysterious atmospheric phenomena. Now scientists have produced a detailed 3D study of the most massive gigantic jet lightning bolt ever observed. It rose 50 miles towards space above Oklahoma. The Oklahoma thunderstorm was in May 2018. It reveals how information about the elusive atmospheric phenomenon goes. Levi Boggs said, "We are able to map this gigantic jet in 3 dimensions with really high quality data." The paper's corresponding author and research scientist at Georgia Tech Research Institute. He said, "We were able to see very high frequency sources above the cloud top, which had not been seen before with this level of detail. Using satellite and radar data, we were able to learn where the very hot leader portion of the discharge was located above the cloud." So simply put, gigantic jets are light beams that are produced together with normal lightning bolts but are propelled in the opposite direction. That's why it's called reverse lightning. But they are much more powerful than their downward-facing cousins, occasionally even posing a hazard to spacecraft or other technologies floating around in orbit of our planet. This one is a particular powerful one, very powerful, with an estimated 300 coulombs of electrical charge. That's 100 times greater than regular lightning bolts. It's thought to be the most potential and potent of its kind by far. Now, over the course of the previous 2 decades, researchers identified a handful of these strange lightning bolts. Nevertheless, a majority of these discoveries were the result of unintentional observation made by the general public. The University Space Research Association, Texas Tech University, University of New Hampshire, Politecnica de Catalunya, Duke University, University of Oklahoma, NOAA's National Severe Storms Laboratory, and the Los Alamos National Laboratory were among the numerous research teams that Boggs collaborated with. Science Advances published a report on the study on August 3rd, and for now there remain a lot of unresolved questions regarding gigantic jets due to the fact that observations of them are uncommon and generally happen accidentally, either by pilots or passengers who happen to spot them, take pictures of them, or by ground observers using night scanning cameras, which is why Oklahoma's 2018 incident was so important. And by chance, a number of important scientific tools in the state, including satellite networks and a lightning mapping system that looks for very high frequency signals, were nearby when this unprecedented event took place. It was even captured by camera by local citizen scientists using a low light setting. From all of this, the teams of scientists gathered as much information as they could about the gigantic jet lightning bolt in an effort to create a thorough account of what transpired 4 years ago in the Oklahoma skies. Estimates for the annual frequency of these bolts range from 1,000 to 50,000. They've been reported more often in tropical regions of the globe. However, the Oklahoma gigantic jet, twice as powerful as the next strongest one, was not in a tropical region. And then this is on The Mind Unleashed by Nikolaya Tanasova. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.